SDG Little Guardians, join in Embark Biological Exploration Camp. Improve your scientific research capabilities and obtain official certification. The Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) have become a hot topic of global concern. The global consensus under the community of human destiny has become a strategic goal for the whole world to work together. The SDGs are integrated with 17 goals, 169 targets, and 230 indicators. The goals cover the world's common challenges, including issues such as poverty, health, education, gender equality, climate change, and cities and infrastructure. This summer, we opened the Embark Biological Exploration Camp, SDG Little Guardian, which is giving children the opportunity to form a worldview and a global view through scientific research. Let the children integrate into real social life from an early age, understand the relationship between people and communities, places, countries, and the world from an early age, and experience and feel the meaning of sustainable development. So what kind of course is SDG Little Guardian? What age groups of children are suitable for participation? When is the class start time? What can children gain through the project? Embark Biological Exploration Camp, SDG Little Guardians. This course offers a total of 4 small-class scientific research projects, corresponding to 2 of the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals, zero hunger and clean water and sanitation. Students conduct biological research to understand the current situation in China. Through theoretical knowledge learning and hands-on practice, they complete the writing of project research reports and have a deeper understanding of SDGs, Introduction to Scientific Research Topics and corresponding goals. SDG Goal 2: Zero Hunger. Eliminate hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. Corresponding research topic 1. The effect of applying nanoparticles on the growth of rice seedlings. Topic Introduction. Global agriculture produces more than 3 billion tons of crops each year, consuming nearly 187 billion tons of fertilizers for 1 million tons of pesticides, and 2.7 trillion cubic meters of water, accounting for about 70% of the total global freshwater consumption. Although the current agricultural production methods can provide enough food for nearly 8 billion people in the world, it is estimated that the global population will reach nearly 9.6 billion in 2050, and agricultural production must increase by 70 to 100% to meet global food demand. It is unsustainable to increase food production by consuming huge resources. Therefore, how to make agriculture sustainable has become a very serious challenge. In recent years, nanotechnology, as an emerging revolutionary technology, has been widely used in biomedicine, mechanical equipment, environmental protection, and other fields, and has promoted the development of these industries. In this study, nano zinc oxides (NaNPS) was used as our representative nanoparticles, and different concentration treatment groups were set to explore the effect on the growth of rice seedlings. Course content. 1. Explain the current situation of food inequality. 2. Current strategies for rice planting and increasing production. 3. Application of nanoparticles in smart agriculture. 4. Design experiments on the effects of different concentrations of nanoparticles on rice seedling growth. 5. Purchase seedlings in advance and then perform control variable processing. 6. Evaluate by measuring indicators such as root length, root weight, and leaf length. 7. Organize and draw experimental data. 8. Write an inquiry report. Corresponding research topic 2. The effect of different concentrations of polystyrene plastic on corn seed germination. Course content. Topic Introduction. Plastic products are widely used due to their low cost, chemical stability, good ductility, and corrosion resistance. Microplastics can persist in the environment for hundreds or even thousands of years due to their small particle size and weak degradation ability, and are continuously enriched in sediments, soil, and other media. So they are considered as a potential persistent organic pollutant. Soil is the main recipient of microplastics. Possible sources of micro nanoplastics in farmland soil include residual decomposition of agricultural mulch, land use of municipal sludge, introduction of surface runoff and agricultural irrigation water, atmospheric deposition, etc. Seed germination is the initial stage of plant growth and is most sensitive to the external environment. It is widely used to evaluate the phytotoxicity of various materials. The toxicity of microplastics to plant seed germination depends on many factors such as plastic type, particle size, and plant species. In this study, corn seeds were selected as the research object for germination experiments. The germination rate, germination index, water absorption rate, root and bud elongation of corn seeds were measured after exposure for a certain period of time to analyze the effect of microplastics on corn seed germination. 1. Explain the relevant background about food production and smart agriculture. 2. Introduce the current research status of microplastic pollution. 3. Design an experimental plan on the effect of different concentrations of microplastics on corn seed germination. 4. Solution preparation. 5. Seed pretreatment and exposure experiment. 6. Observe seeds in stages and record data. 7. Determine the root length, water absorption rate, and other indicators of germinated seeds. 8. Draw and organize experimental data. 9. Write an inquiry report. SDG Goal 6. Clean drinking water and sanitation. Provide water and sanitation for all, and manage them sustainably. Corresponding research topic 1. Water quality monitoring and evaluation of drinking water in different households. Topic introduction. In most cases, the various technologies used by water treatment plants in the water purification process cannot effectively and completely remove pollutants. When tap water is supplied to users through the transmission network, physical, chemical, biological, and other effects will also occur, resulting in water quality often failing to meet standards. Research data show that the content of pollutants such as metals in water treated by water plants increases from the factory to the end user, and even exceeds the limit specified in the National Drinking Water Standard GB 5749-06, which is harmful to health. Therefore, understanding the basic physical and chemical parameters and pollution status of tap water in different households is the basis and key to our realization of clean drinking water. Therefore, this project collects tap water and drinking water from each student's home and measures indicators such as TDS, minerals hardness, residual chlorine, and calcium and magnesium ion concentrations to determine the safety of drinking water in different households. Course content. 1. Introduce the current situation of water pollution in China. 2. Explain the relevant knowledge about water quality standards. 3. Introduce relevant methods of water purification. 4. Collect tap water and drinking water from each student's home. 5. Determine TDS and minerals of different water samples. 6. Determine hardness and residual chlorine of different water samples. 7. Determine calcium and magnesium ion concentrations of different water samples. 8. Organize and draw experimental data. 9. Write a research report. Corresponding research topic 2. Research on the characteristics of water quality changes of different tap water under the action of microorganisms. Topic introduction. After coagulation, filtration, sedimentation, sterilization, and other treatments, tap water, surface water, groundwater is delivered to users through the water distribution system. After various treatment processes in the water purification plant, the water quality can meet the human drinking standards, but when it is supplied to users through the transmission pipeline network, the complex environment of the pipeline network will cause the presence of microbial communities in the tap water, and the presence and growth of microorganisms can affect the quality of drinking water. Therefore, exploring the characteristics of the changes in the water quality characteristics of tap water under the action of microorganisms plays an important role in the health assessment of drinking water. This project collects tap water from each student's home and monitors it continuously for 2 weeks. The changes in hardness, pH and dissolved organic matter content are measured to indicate the effect of microorganisms on water quality. Course content: 1. Introduce the current situation of water pollution in China. 2. Explain the relevant knowledge about water quality standards. 3. Introduce relevant methods of water purification. 4. Collect tap water and drinking water from each student's home and determine the indicators. 5. Determination of water quality indicators 2. 6. Determination of water quality indicators 3. 7. Determination of water quality indicators 4. 8. Organize and draw experimental data. 9. Write an inquiry report. Embark Biological Exploration Camp course information. 1. Target group. We hope that you are in G428, students with zero foundation and interested in biochemical experiments, environmental science, and world development. 2. Class opening time. The class starts in the summer. For specific course opening dates, you can skim the code to add a junior sister for consultation. One class lasts about 90 minutes, with the first 45 minutes being the theoretical teaching section and the last 45 minutes being the hands-on experiment section. 3. Mentor team. Embark Scientific Director H's team. Team research fields, microbial metabolite optimization, biotechnology, etc. Good at analyzing the award trends of major international top scientific research competitions such as ISEF and Q Award. In 2021, he led students to win the 4th prize in the ISEF Global Finals, and in 2020 to 2024, he led students to win the 1st and 2nd prizes in the Global Finals for 3 consecutive years with the right to name asteroids. Through learning in the Biological Exploration Camp, you will gain 1. Improvement of comprehensive ability. In each class's theoretical knowledge teaching session, the teacher will use the subject background as the entry point. You can recognize the current situation of sustainable development in my country and even the world. Experience the satisfaction of participating in social responsibility and broaden your horizons. Students will be able to exercise creativity, expand skills, and accumulate practical experience, which will help personal growth, further study applications, and career development. 2. Improvement of scientific research ability. Every class is indispensable and everyone is most looking forward to the hands-on practice session. The teacher will lead students to do various interesting scientific experiments, improve children's hands-on practice ability, understand the use of professional equipment, and lay a solid foundation for more professional scientific research in the future. 3. Official authoritative certificate. Through class learning, students can obtain the United Nations Official Public Welfare Certificate, which can add color to future academic and career development. Currently, Embark Biological Exploration Camp is recruiting. If you are interested in the United Nations Sustainable Development Strategic Goals, are willing to solve problems around the world through biochemical experiments, and want to recharge yourself through scientific research during the summer, don't miss this SDG Little Guardian course full of gold. Welcome to Consult Embark.